Okay, so thank you, Christine, for telling me that it stopped actually recording. So syllables, it means cutting the word into pieces, into parts. Snap is a one word, a whole word. We can't cut it. That's why it's a short noun. Snap. Basket. 3 syllables. Sorry, 2 syllables. Basket. Okay? Here, so short adjectives that has 1 syllable, like, can you give me example? I already showed it to you, but can you give me short adjectives with 1 syllable? Yes, Christina Battichi. One syllable adjective. Raise your voice, please. Big. Big, amazing. Marvin. Yes, Marvin. Again, Marvin. Rafi, give me a short adjective. Okay, Joe, give me a short adjective.
Clap.
Again?
Clap.
I did not understand it. Again?
Clap. يزقف clap.
Clap. Okay, but clap is a verb. It's not an adjective. I need an adjective. It's okay, Joe. Thank you. Hala, can you give me a short adjective with 1 syllable? Hala.
He's tall.
What's
Tall.
that?
Tall.
What's that?
Tall.
Tall, amazing, tall, amazing. Tall is a short adjective. Rita.
Far.
Far, amazing. Can you mute your mics? Okay, what about Marvin? Okay, Marvin, give me a short adjective.
Small.
What's that?
Small.
Yes, Marvin.
Small.
Again?
Small.
Small, amazing. Small, thank you, Marvin. Grace, give me a short adjective.
Tall.
Amazing, tall, we already said it. Okay, what about Uday?
Hot.
Hot, amazing. Okay, again, what about Jirias?
Teacher, my mic is not working and now I fixed it.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Jirias?
Fast.
Fast. Okay, Elias?
Fat.
Fat, amazing. Thank you, guys. You can lower your hand now. You can lower your hands, please. Lower them. Click on the hand icon again in order to lower your hand so I can see the rest of you. So, short adjectives with 1 syllable like big, hot, tall, short, small, fat, thin, wise, large. Long adjectives with 3 or more syllables like delicious, like colorful, Can you think of long adjectives other than delicious and colorful? Yes, Mace. Yes, Mace. Give me a long adjective.
Big.
What's that?
Big.
Big is a short adjective. Now I need an adjective that is tall, like the hair of the girl. Look at the hair of the girl. It's long. So I need a word just like delicious, colorful, has 3 or more syllables. Delicious. 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 So 3 syllables. Colorful. Colorful. 3 syllables. Anyone else can give me a long adjective? Ilyas?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Amazing. So we have beautiful. Beautiful, an adjective with 3 syllables. Beautiful. Amazing. What else do we have? Yes.
Really.
Who's that? Miss, please put your hands down. Okay, what about Rafi? Yes, Rafi.
Butterfly.
What's that?
Butterfly.
Butterfly is a noun for an insect. I need an adjective. Can you think, Rafi, of an adjective that is long? What about, let's say,
Purple. Purple.
purple? Okay. Who else? Okay, Rita.
Ugly.
Expensive.
Expensive. Amazing. So we have expensive, for instance. So we have delicious, colorful, beautiful, expensive, 3 syllables. Amazing. So guys, here, and I forgot to share a song about the adjectives with you. We will call it the adjective song. An adjective can tell us more about a noun. Color, shape, and size, its texture, or its sound. For interesting writing, the adjective is your friend. Describe, describe, describe from beginning to the end. Did you like the song, guys? So here, the adjectives describe behavior, number, color, texture, flavor, size. Did you like the song? Yes, Christina, did you like the song?
Yeah.
Yes. Rafi, did you like the song?
Yeah.
It's a nice song about the purpose of the adjectives. Why do we use them and etc. So here, types of adjectives. We have comparative adjectives, superlative adjectives, and irregular adjectives. If you look at your book here, again, it's page 35, but it's not shown. They talked about the comparative and superlatives. Yes, miss. Yes, Hala.
بس انا مش لقيته، ضليت ادور عليه بكل الكتاب ما لقيته.
Page 35. I'll send the number of the page. Okay, Hala? The
Okay.
grammar book. Okay. Now let's move on. Here we have they said something about the comparative. We use the comparative form of adjectives and adverbs to compare two people, animals, or things. Two people, two animals, two things. We often use the word than after the comparative. My car is older than yours. John runs more quickly than me. Look here. Comparative adjectives, it has to do with one-to-one comparison. I'm comparing one person with one person. I'm comparing one animal with one animal. I'm comparing a thing with a thing. So I have only two, one of each. Okay? So let's, for instance, say two people here. If you see two people between Huda and Layla. I'm making a comparison between Huda and Layla. Okay? Understood what do I mean by comparative adjectives? One to one. You can hold one finger at your right hand and one finger at your left hand. And I need Mace, Hala, Marvin, lower your hand, please. Lower your hands, please. So one to one, okay? So comparatives with short adjectives, because I have short adjectives and long adjectives. Now, with short adjectives, I put the short adjective and I add ER to it and then the word than. If you look to your book at the example, my car is older than yours. The comparison is between what and what? Who can tell me? What's the comparison is between? In the book, my car is older than yours. The comparison is between what and what? Yes, Marvin.
1 to 1.
Okay, between what and what? What's the object? Again? Again, Marvin? Okay, someone else. Let's see. Jirias. The comparison is between what and what? What object?
Miss my car.
My car
My
and
and my friend.
your car. So my car with your car. This is the comparison. You can underline it. My car with yours. Okay, one to one. Okay, what about the second example? John runs more quickly. This is a long adjective. Let's focus on the short adjectives. It's very important. When you compare, you need to focus on the adjective. Is it short or long? Here, old is a short adjective. In short adjectives, I use this form. Old, I add ER, then than. Let's practice here. Huda is taller than Layla. So the comparison is between Huda and Layla. Okay, how did I choose ER and not more? Why? Why did I choose ER and not more? Because the adjective tall here, the adjective tall is short adjective. This is a short adjective, that's why I add ER and then than. Huda is taller than Layla. Huda is nicer than Layla. Nice is a short adjective and it ends with E, so I add only R and then than. Don't forget than, it's very important. Okay, so this is the form of the short the comparative adjectives with short adjectives. Huda is bigger than Layla. Big is big, a short or long adjective. Who can answer me? Who can answer me? What about Justina? Yes, Justina. Is big a short or long adjective?
Short.
It's short. That's why I added ER to the end and then than. Okay? So I add ER, than to the short adjective. But since big is consonant, vowel, consonant, what I do in this case is double the last consonant. So it's C, V, C, C, then E, R, than. Isn't it? If you remember last year. So Big, it becomes bigger than Layla. This is the short form of comparative with short adjectives. Here, comparatives with long adjectives. Long adjectives, we said delicious, comfortable, expensive, beautiful, dangerous, interesting, colorful. With long adjectives, here is the long adjective. Here is the long adjective. I add more long adjective than. Okay? Than. Let's practice. Wait a minute, guys. So, here, comparatives with long adjectives, more long adjective than. Long adjectives, let's practice it. So, the comparison is between Huda and Layla again. Interesting is a long adjective. Okay? So, I add more, then the long adjective, than Layla. Huda is more interesting than Layla. The red car is more expensive than the blue car. The cheetah is more dangerous than the deer. I need you to tell me, the comparison is between who and who again? Yes, Christina. Yes, Christina.
The comparative is one and one.
Okay, between who and who? Between Huda and Layla.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What about the adjective here? If you look to the adjective interesting, is it short or long adjective? Carol?
Short.
It's long adjective, interesting. So I would choose to add more than the long adjective than. I don't choose the other form with short adjectives. So the red car is more expensive than the blue car. The comparison between what and what here? Oh, sorry, let me just repeat it. So Huda is more interesting than Layla. Okay, here the red car is more expensive than the blue car. The comparison between what and what? Jirius.
Miss red and blue car.
Red car and the blue car. Excellent, Jirius. So the comparison is between the red car and the blue car. Look at the adjective expensive. Is it short or long? Who can tell me? Yes, Justina.
Long.
Long. So I choose the form to add more. I add more expensive than. I do not add ER. Okay? The cheetah is more dangerous than the deer. This is the cheetah and this is the deer. The comparison is between the cheetah and the deer. Look at dangerous. Is it a short or long adjective? Yes, Marvin. Short or long adjective? Marvin.
Again, repeat the question.
Marvin, is dangerous long or short adjective?
Long.
Long. Amazing. Thank you, Marvin. Okay. Hala, what do I use with long adjectives? Do I use ER or more than? ER than or more than?
ER than.
With long adjective.
ER than.
With long adjective, dangerous is a long adjective. What do I add? More than or ER than? Yes, Hala.
Than.
More than. I add more than because it's a long adjective. Whenever I see a long adjective with one-to-one comparison, cheetah, deer, and long adjective, I add more than. If I see the comparison between two people, one-to-one, or two animals, or two things, Huda and Layla, one-to-one, and I see a short adjective, I add ER. Okay, guys? So the class is already, we passed the time, so we need to finish up. Thank you guys for participating. I will send the PDFs and the video, and we will take a revision next time really quick about the adjectives, and then we will move to irregular and the activity in your book. Anyone has any question? Because we passed the time actually.
No, teacher, thank you.